Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Val and I share here my financial journey. So if you're new here, I am a 31 years old this coming February and I have two kids. My source of income is from a corporate job, full-time job, and I do have a side business with friends where I am earning in a quarterly. So it's not gonna be by monthly. Our video for today, guys, is I'm gonna be sharing an update on my savings and debt. So it's gonna be um, like a monthly report to you guys on how I do, on what I do with my savings goal. So this is here. All right. Today, as you know, I have my yearly goal planner here, but this is more on a focused way on what I wanted or a focused way of thinking ano ba yung mga savings goals ko. So let's say for example, on a January, I am thinking I have this 40k tuition, MacBook, etc. etc. So kung ano yung pumapasok sa isip ko, I'm gonna put it notes here para I have something to look back on what I should be focusing on a sinking funds. So it doesn't mean na I'm aiming to finish that on March, February, or whatever. It just means that it's like a brainstorming thing. Now I have a savings tracker. This first savings tracker that you are seeing, guys, is more on like on a weekly basis because that is for the rollover part. So my rollover part here, let me just share to you guys. So I have an envelope for the rollover, this one. It actually means my budgeted allowance if ever na meron siyang sobra by the end of Saturday, I'm gonna put it here. So for the last 3 weeks, I've saved up or put in 1,800, 900, and 100, guys, on my savings. I'm not sure with the week 4 if I can also put in because that will depend. I have my money pot, still a savings tracker for my 1 month ahead. So for my 1 month ahead, it's 1 month ahead, sorry, for my 1 month ahead, yung goal ko dyan is 40,000. I don't have a goal date of when it will be exactly the completion because my goal first is to be consistent in putting an amount to my savings. So yun, I'm not putting any deadline to myself because I want it to be like a gentle savings because ayokong ma-overwhelm yung sarili ko. Ayokong i-pressure yung sarili ko din if hindi siya achievable. So as long as I'm seeing na growing yung savings ko, then I'm good. Okay? That's my way of helping myself to be motivated in terms of savings. I have the tuition fee for next school year for my kid for my eldest son, guys. Then that's not, and I have a CIMB savings tracker. So for this one, guys, yung sinking funds ko nasa CIMB account siya because yung the way I think of it is malaki kasi yung interest ni CIMB. So ngayon kaka-check ko lang yung 25,050 pesos ko, ngayon 25,063 na siya. So nag-earn ako ng interest, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Yeah, interest rate ata ng 13 pesos. And you are not getting that from irregular bank account, guys. So, most likely, yung mga bank accounts, peso, ganun. Pero this one, look at this. Ano pa lang, January 9 na. Tapos, ano na tayo ngayon. Pero, it's a game of risking kasi who never knows what will happen to the digital banks, diba? But I'm not putting all of my eggs in one basket, so that's why I have my Union Bank's account and BPI account, and also the CIMB. It's just the CIMB more focused with the sinking funds. So yung tracking ko dito, I have the birthday funds and 1 month ahead. Then to start with the January, I have already updated this. Hindi pa, because I need to update the tuition and also the medical funds. So let's see. So for the tuition, how much did I put in? I added an amount of 2 plus 2 1 4,300. So add lang natin dito, guys. So yung total is 6,000. So yung goal natin is 30. Yan. And then we have the medical funds. Let's check. So I am planning na i-deposit ito sa CIMB, guys, because with the CIMB again, it's earning a lot, huge interest rate. So for the medical funds, for this 2 paycheck, I added 2,400. Yan. So, ito total lang muna natin kung magkano yung na-add natin sa mga savings, guys. Sorry. 82 plus 12 plus 43 plus 24. So, that's 26,900. So, for this month of January, yung na set aside ko for the savings is 26,900 lahat. Yep. So, i-total din natin yung total savings running natin. I'm also planning to move myself on a digital tracking, guys. Pero mas comfortable pa kasi ako sa notebook eh. Mas hiyang pa ako for now. And parang kumbaga mas gusto ko to. Yes, mas gusto ko tong way na magta-track ako ng savings ko with my notebook planner, guys. Yung physical planner talaga. But in a way na kapag kaya ko na or comfortable na ako mismo sa ating paggamit ng spreadsheet, sa pagtatrack, then yes, we will do that in the future, but not for now kasi mas na-enjoy ko pa. Okay. Next is ano ko muna to. Update ko muna yung sa February natin na savings. So, for the February, this is Feb. Lagay ko lang dito. So, this, lagay natin emergency funds. Ay, sorry, hindi pala. Wait lang, mali. So, yung ilalagay ko dito is 64,200. Tapos, yung goal is 90. Actually, yung goal ko talaga actually yung goal ko for the emergency funds is 120,000 because that will be the first step to save 3 months equivalent of your pay salary. So if I'm earning, actually nag-max out lang ako ng 40k. But that's not the reality of how much I'm earning every month. 40k each month times 3, so that's 120. But gusto ko kasing makita yung sarili ko in a realistic way. So baka ma-overwhelm ako kapag nilagay ko yung 120. So what I did is, let me see if I can achieve the 90,000. So yun yung nilagay ko, 90,000 lang muna. Then, once na-kompleto ko na siya, then I will move to 120. And then, once makompleto ko naman yung 120, I will continue saving my emergency funds. Pero, mas pinapataas ko lang siya. Okay. I have 1 month ahead. By the way, guys, for this year, we are planning to go to Hong Kong. Yes, narinig niyo ako. So that will be our first travel outside of the Philippines if ever matuloy. If someone here na viewer ko that who has already been in Hong Kong, can you share your travel tips? Where did you book your ticket, your hotel, and ano yung mga learnings niyo for going to Hong Kong that I should be aware of? Yon. So I wanted to hear from you guys. Gusto namin mag-travel within this year. It's because yung goal namin is may tatak yung mga passport namin para in case na mag-apply kami ng visa kung nasaan yung husband ko is may travel history kami ng kids. So with the travel history, mas mataas kasi yung chance na ma-approve ka daw. So, hopefully, God will provide and God will lead me to the path na hindi ako mag-overwhelm. So, sinabihan ko naman yung husband ko if he would agree on that plan, and he said he's okay and he will help me to save money for our Hong Kong trip. Yeah. So, yun. I'm planning to book within this month para within this month kasi mas the earlier the better. So I can book naman now once matapos yung birthday ng anak ko, once sakto, my remaining funds. So, yung goal ko dito is 10,000. Paparating na yung birthday ko next month. So, makukuha or malilas na naman ito, guys, yung birthday funds. And then, start na naman ako ng saving for my eldest son's birthday. So, yan. Ito yung monthly savings planner that I would recommend in doing kasi you have the visual. Meron kayong visual, guys, with how far along are you with your savings, ano pa ba yung kulang ninyo, mga ganon. Para mas ma-motivate kayong tignan yung account or yung savings plans ninyo. Diba? Kasi kapag wala kang nakikita or wala kang progress na nakikita, then you are wait lang, but 98 tapos dito 88, wait nga, 64, 200, 15, 750, okay, 66, okay, tapos 24, okay. Okay, kasi hindi ko na na total yung dito, yung birthday funds pala. So, 9289. Okay. I-add muna natin si birthday funds kasi mas maganda yung ano eh, malaki din yung nakikita natin yung ano natin, savings, diba? So, let's do the 28 to 39. And look how far we are with our savings. Minus 183. So, malayo pa. 84,761 guys. Yung sasave natin. There we go. Balik ko muna tong savings chuchu natin. By the way, mag-ano na din tayo, mag-update na din tayo ng ating utang. Sige, mag-update tayo guys. So, for the CP, ang kulang, so 36,800. I paid 3,000. So, yung remaining balance is 33,800. There we go. So, update din natin dito yung sa utang guys. So, 3,800. So, this is going to be the 12 of 24 months. O, diba? 1 year na siya. So, 1 year, may kulang pa tayo na 30,000. Siguro ma-fully pay ko to. Guys, kaka-release lang ng S24 Ultra. Grabe, ang ganda. Na-amaze ako. So, sabi ko, gusto kong bumili. Gusto kong mag-upgrade. Kasi 2 years na tong cellphone ko, itong cam na ginagamit ko. Pumasok na siya sa isipan ko. But I was also planning naman na bumili, or I have a savings plan of camera. Ito, yan, si camera guys. Feel ko mas priority ko si camera. Pero ganda kasi ng camera ni sa S24. Tapos may trade-in plan pa sila. So I'm not really, I don't know. I'm torn between the S24 or the camera alone. Anyways, I'll think about it later, but now that I can see na meron pa akong 1 year for the cellphone ng husband ko, which is yung S23, I don't think I wanna buy it now. Parang siguro yung plano ko is by next year na sa S25 na release. Yeah, S25 na mag-release. Kasi by that time, fully pay na yung cellphone ng husband ko, and I can get a new one with an updated. Pero priority ko muna yung camera kasi with separate camera kasi I can film unlimited without having thinking na maglulubot yung cellphone ko tapos aalis ako, kailangan ko pang mag-charge para ma-fully charge siya before I go out. So, yan. So, I'm thinking na sa camera na lang, and thank you kasi kapag after kong na-update to, ayan, dyan ko na-realize that I have 1 year. And yes, sa 2025 na tayo mag-upgrade ng ating mobile phone. And hopefully monetize na tayo sa dyan, sa ating YouTube, at I can earn income na. Thank you. I'm so excited guys. Thank you so much for watching for my monthly savings update, and I will see you on our next video guys. Bye-bye!